3 years ago, I was helping mostly local buyers. Today, I'm getting calls from Nashville, Chicago, California, Florida, Texas, and honestly, places I never expected. And they're all asking the same question: Nikki, what's going on in Bowling Green? Because people aren't accidentally moving here, they're choosing it. And after helping hundreds of buyers, I've noticed there are a few clear reasons why. Some of them might surprise you. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nikki Adams, realtor here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I help buyers, sellers, and relocation clients make smart moves throughout South Central Kentucky. So let's talk about why people are really moving here right now. First is location. Bowling Green sits in one of those sweet spots people don't fully appreciate until they live here. You're about an hour from Nashville, less than 2 hours from Louisville, yes, that's how you pronounce it, and with an easy driving distance of several major cities. So you get small city living, but you're still connected to airports, entertainment, healthcare, and major job markets. A lot of relocation buyers tell me this was actually one of the deciding factors. They didn't want isolation, but they also didn't want big city chaos. Next is affordability. And this is usually where people pause when they start looking here because they expect prices to be higher than they are. I cannot tell you how many times I've been showing homes and someone looks at me and they say, wait, that's the price? Where they're coming from, that same house would cost significantly more. So instead of downsizing or compromising, a lot of families are actually upgrading: bigger homes, more land, better neighborhoods, and still staying within their budget. Bowling Green is also growing fast, and you can feel it everywhere. New neighborhoods being built, new businesses opening, companies expanding and investing in the area. This isn't a city standing still, and people want to move where things are actually moving forward, not where everything feels stuck. Bowling Green has also become one of the strongest economic hubs in the region. Major employers continue to bring jobs here across manufacturing, healthcare, education, logistics, and professional services. And when jobs grow, housing demand follows. People move where opportunity exists. Western Kentucky University also plays a huge role in the energy in the city. It brings students, athletics, events, culture, and a steady economic activity year-round. It helps create that balance of a college town feel with a growing regional hub. One of the biggest misconceptions I hear is there even anything to do in Bowling Green? And honestly, yes, a lot more than people expect. You've got the National Corvette Museum, Lost River Cave, downtown events, local restaurants, parks, golf courses, sports, and year-round community activities. And as someone raising a family here, I can promise you, boredom is not really the problem. But this is the part that people don't fully understand until they move here. Bowling Green has grown a lot, but it still feels like a community. People know their neighbors, local businesses are supported, and community events actually matter here. You can feel that difference when you live it. Now, let me be honest with you for a second. Bowling Green is not perfect. Traffic on Scottsville Road can get really busy. Pollen season is no joke. And no, this is not Nashville if you're looking for nonstop nightlife, but that's also kind of the point. So why are so many people moving to Bowling Green? It's not just affordability, it's not just location, and it's not just jobs. It's because Bowling Green offers something that's getting harder and harder to find: opportunity without the chaos, growth without losing community, and a quality of life that surprises a lot of people when they get here. If you're thinking about relocating to Bowling Green and want help figuring out which area fits your lifestyle and goals, I would love to help. Reach out anytime, and if you want more videos about buying, selling, or living in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.